Hello, it's me again. Yeah, you're getting a two-parter today. I really didn't think I was gonna have time or the energy to do a long video today, but turns out I was wrong. So yay, you're getting a two-parter. So welcome to Tobyknits Vlogmas Day 22, Part 2. As you can see, I was in a mild panic this morning because we had to get everything done. Bob was trying very hard to cut up, while I was videotaping, to cut up the trees that fell last week when we had that big snowfall. Check it out. And then after cutting a few down, he ran out of gas in his chainsaw thing. So it was like, we gotta go now, So we raced into the town, the next town to us. I managed to get one of these, which is a little charger. It's a portable charger. So if we lose power for more than a few days, I'll be able, this is now fully charged, and I'll be able to at least keep my phone charged so we can at least, you know, contact other members of the family, check everybody's okay still, and see what's going on. So I wanted us to have one of those. My son had them when we were in Nova Scotia, and they had the hurricane came through and lost power for 4 or 5 days. They were a godsend. So I needed to get one each for Bob and I. So we just ran in and got them at Walmart. I got some fresh water, so we're okay for that. And yeah, so then we picked up what little Christmas gifts we still had to get. And I had lunch with some girlfriends. And then we've made it home. Both of us had a half-an-hour nap, and now Bob has gone to work. So I hope he's gonna be okay coming home tonight. I won't sleep. I'll end up staying up and waiting for him. He gets off work at 1:30. So yeah, I probably won't sleep until he's home. But anyway, we'll see. I'll take my knitting to bed. Oh, talking about my knitting, I should show you where I'm up to. I gotta go get it, one sec. Okay, so here is the Christmas stocking from the Bakery Bears that I've been doing. So this is what it looked like here. These were all the day one. I forget how she did them now. They weren't actually on like day 1, day 2, because she did them every other day, but I think she started on day 3. Yeah, anyway, whatever. This was the first one we did with this lovely Latvian braid and the lacy cuff. Then we had this with the snowfall. And then this is the houses or something with the reflection in the water. And then this is more snow on the ground. And then this is the brickwork of the chimney. And this is all the trees. And then this is the heel. And I'm just starting, so it will come like this. Oh, it's really big, eh? It's hard to... So it now starts to come along here. And I'm 2 behind. 1, 2, and the toe behind. Because I didn't take this with me when I went to Nova Scotia. But it is absolutely lovely, and I'm enjoying doing the color work. And a lot of this, this color work. This was the most difficult of the color work, but all of this and these were like slip stitches, so it wasn't even, I wouldn't even call that color work. And this was very easy color work to do. So that's the stocking, so that's coming on lovely. And I do have a little light that goes around my neck. So if we do lose power tonight or tomorrow night, I can still sit and do my knitting because I have a little light. So that's that one. And then the blanket, what am I saying, blanket? The cowl, which is from K. Jones. No, Ellie Jones. There's too many Joneses. Ellie Jones of Craft House Magic, and this is the lovely cowl that I'm doing. I'm all tangled up here. This is the sound wave cowl, because that looks like a sound wave. And look how it's coming. I am loving it. I really wasn't sure about the colors when I first started, because I'm literally just picking them out as they came. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm literally just picking them up as they came. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm on 8. So I've wound up ball 9 and 10, because I think that's all I'm going to put in, because I don't know. I think it's going to be lovely, because this is how it's worn. It is not worn over the head. It does go all the way around. So I feel like with 2 more, but if not, I'll do the other 2 and make it 12. And look at these. Aren't these the cutest things? My friend came over yesterday, Tanya. Hi, Tanya. And she gave me these for Christmas. I think they're the cutest things ever. Little needle stoppers. So that was good. So this is coming on good. I finished it. I don't even remember when I showed you this last. I think I just started this one. So here's that color, and now the blue, which has got purple in it too, which is very hard to see, but it does. So there's that one. That's coming on. I don't know if I'm going to get any of these finished for Christmas Day, but I don't care. As long as I get them finished for the end of the year, I don't mind, because I would like a New Year's Eve cast on. You know, I would. Some people try a Christmas Eve cast on, but I think I'll be too busy for that. And here is my socks, which keep coming off. Oh, I need them little stoppers on these things too, I guess. There we go. I never push them far enough. Maybe that's what I should do. Push them further down. So this is where I've come. I'm on the gusset. I have done the heel flap and turn. Heel flap and turn. And I'm just on the, oh, there's my little Tobyknits stitch marker I made, and there's a little Christmas one I made. I made this one last year, but so those are what I use for my, so yeah, that one's coming on. And if you didn't see the original, here is the original. Well, not the original, the first foot. Isn't it funny how the other side is never, the joins are never, let's always show the posh side. So yeah, I love it. It's a really nice sock pattern, and I love it because there's so many different things that you're doing with it. It's not just a straight boring like 4.5 inches of leg till you get to the heel flap and turn, and then, you know, 4.5 inches of foot. It's got something going on all the time, so I love that. And yeah, so that's where I'm up to with the knitting. And so I'll be working on some of that tonight. I also am working on some, oh, my beeper's gonna go. I'm making potato leek soup so that in a big batch. Yesterday I made chili and spaghetti sauce, and they're all in the fridge. The turkey's defrosted in the fridge. God, I hope to hell we can use the thing. But if not, we're gonna have chili and soup on Christmas Day. I hope we're not out of power that long. Holy moly. You watch, we probably won't even get nothing. It'll probably bypass us altogether, all the panicking that's been going on. But anyway, well, that's life in Canada. But I think it's the news. They're the ones that are scaring the life. Oh, one moment, please. Came back and I just blitzed it all as well. Aren't they the best thing? Is that little emulsion, whatever it is. Anyway, I love it. Because I've lost my train of thought now. What was I saying? Oh, never mind, I don't know. So I think I'm all ready. Yeah, I really don't know what I was saying. Oh, I need to do the draw for the free pattern from Dana Ray Makes, so we can do our sock along. I have to do that. So let me see if I can figure out how to do that on here. Just talk amongst yourselves while I do this, please. I think there is a YouTube, I think it's called YouTube something picker. Let's have a look. YouTube random picker, maybe? Is that it? Yes. I think, yeah, that's it. Okay, so how do we do this now? So enter your YouTube URL. Gotta find it. Gotta find it. Let's see. It's this one. Yeah, I'm in a funny mood now. A funny mood. Let's see. So let's go to that and hit copy. Take it over here. Hit paste. Okay. Filter duplicate uses. Include replies to comments. No. Filter comments based on specific text. Yes. And the text is going to be sock along. Okay. Did I? Yeah, that's what I said, didn't I? Sock along. Oh, sock hyphen. Don't know if it makes any difference. We had 12 comments. We had, I better put that just in case, a hyphen. All right, well, we had 12 comments, so let's see. Start. I don't even know what's going on here now. Nothing's happening. Oh my goodness, nothing is happening. Get YouTube comments. Maybe we have to do that first. Okay, then maybe I have to do capital S, capital A. I don't know how to do this. I'll be right back. Okay, I figured it out. I had to answer this, the skill testing question. Okay, so we're all ready. Let's see if you can see this. There were 12 comments, but only 6 people had the unique characteristics. So in other words, they said sock along. So start. Michelle Phillips, you're the winner! Michelle Phillip. A sock along sounds like a good fun in the new year. I would like to get more socks knit this year too. You are the winner! Okay, so Michelle, contact me please. so that I can have a current email address for you, and I will, and if you're on Ravelry, what is your Ravelry name? And I will send that to Dana Ray, and she is going to send you a pattern of your choice, and hopefully you'll do the quilted striped one so that you can join us in the knit along in January. Oh, I'm so glad I got to figure that out. Oh, okay, so there was that. And then what I would like to show you now before I go is I made this last night. Isn't this the cutest little thing ever? And I am going to show you tomorrow, if I have power, how to make it. So stay tuned tomorrow for that, and there will be another giveaway tomorrow. That's the 23rd, yes? No? Let's do a giveaway today. Yeah, let's do another giveaway today. This is going to be a giveaway for a cross stitch pattern, and it is my first ever of 2022, because I did make them others years and years ago. My first ever actual cross stitch design. So I had to go run and get it so I could show you. So this is my first real cross stitch design. And this is one I did for our retreat, our cross stitch retreat. So this is going to be, and I made another one at the retreat on linen. So you can see the difference with it on linen and how the straw shows up there with the different color, and on Ada. So that's the difference in the two. So, so today, if you want to enter to win my cross stitch design, it's a PDF that I will email to you if you are the lucky winner. So what you have to do for today's giveaway, but not mention the word giveaway, is in the comments, in order for the random generator to pick you, you have to say pumpkin somewhere. Okay, I really am gonna go now. I need a cup of tea, and I'm gonna go get my knitting, have a sit down, cup of tea, and wait for the storm. Okay, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!